Hello, Casen. I'm getting an email from you. It says I'm confused on how to get the quizzes and the filled out figures from the lab manual to the digital turn in. I'm gonna show you where to find everything. Here in course activities, if you pick quizzes, you're gonna get the lecture exam number one and the lab practical number one. These two are for this week until July the 16th at night. And to drop the assignments, you have this part for the homework, and this part is for your lab module. Every single lab module has several exercises. You have to solve exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And this one, it's going to be lab module number 1. You have to gather all the images, all the files, in only one PDF file and drop your file right here. I hope this can be helpful for you.